Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we're going to start with our fourth online session. Before we start our lesson, just I want to make sure that everyone know how to post their work to the assignment, because still most of the students posting on the wall, and I have mentioned before that you don't have to post it in the wall, and I will go into delete it, because I find out some students they take some other students work and they submit it and say this is my work. From now on, anyone to going to post any assignment on the wall, I'm going to delete it immediately, and you will not have your marks. You need to make sure that you post it to the assignment. Okay guys, look here with me please. For example, I'll go to the ICT class, and this is one of the assignments. The new assignment for today, this is the one, fourth period online, grade 4, observing behavior. Okay, you need to read carefully the assignment before you're going to do any assignment, please. And there is a video, you need to watch it, okay, to understand the lesson very well. Our objective for today, create a table about observing behavior, and our success criteria to remember how to use merge and center, identify how to use the wrap text, and insert a photo. Okay? Before I'm going to start with our lesson, this is just the sample here. You can open it, as I mentioned before, that you can work from this one. You can add four things, 3 things, 4, whatever. I add 2 here, you can add more. Okay, for example, I'm done. This is what I'm going to start, because some students they didn't watch that part. For example, you are done and you need to post your work. First thing, you need to click open. After you saving your work, you click open. Then you're going to click attach file from computer. Then go to the documents where you save your file. For example, Ahmed 4A. Then I move down. Then I'm looking for the example for observing behavior. This is the one that you save it, for example, and you click open. And I'll wait for a few seconds, and the file already uploaded. Still is not sending to the teacher. You need to click what? Turn in assignment. If you want to write something to your teacher, create a text response. Sometimes it's not turning in until you write something here. Hi, mister, this is my work. Then you click what? Turn in assignment, and then I will receive this file. And also there is some students still they don't have Word or Excel or PowerPoint, and I have shown you before. They can click create, then for example Excel, if you don't have Excel or Word on your computer. You can use it over here directly from the Edmodo. If you don't have Excel, then you start doing your work. Okay guys, let's go to our lesson for today. I don't need this one, I'm gonna delete it later. Okay, here you go. This is the, for example, I just add the text immediately before going to learn how to do all the things. If I go back here and I'll open the sample of the assignment. Let me delete these files. And then I'll go back. And this is my assignment. Then I will click open it. Then I will look here what the mister did. Okay, look with me how to make your file look like this. Here we go. First, we're going to learn, as today I told you, wrap and text, and we used it before. For example, it's already written where? In A only. I want this observing behavior, the title, I make it size 20 and I make it bold. I want to make it merge and center in the 3 cells together. Going to highlight the 3 A and B, C. Then I click where? Merge and center. Okay, I'm done from the merge and center for the title. Okay, for example, you're going to write here behavior as a title for this table, consistent behavior and inconsistent behavior. Okay. For example, here I write polite, the behavior, then be polite. And inconsistent behavior, my friend is not polite yet, she tells me to be polite. Okay, and so on. See, for this part, you see here in when I write this one, it is going out from the cell. Some of students, they tell me, Mr. I can make C very big and it will be like this. No, it will be, for example, later on when you need to print, it will be out of the paper. Put it back as it is. And I want to make this words all, it comes on C3. As you know, this is the cell ID C3. And I want to make it inside one cell. We're gonna click something here in the home tab, wrap text. Click wrap text, and it will, all of it comes inside the C3. As well here, after I write, then I go and click what? Wrap text. I'm done. Then I want to do the formatting for this one. If you look back, go back to the sample that I sent you. You already changed the colors of the titles. Okay, then here as well you need to change the box's color. You don't need to make borders here, just you need to change the fill color. Go back here. For example, this one I'm gonna fill it with color. Okay, this one I'm gonna fill it with the same color. For example, this one I'm gonna fill it with a different color. Choose any colors that you like. Then here you can change it to a different color. This also I'm gonna change it with a different color. Here as well you can put any color you like. I'm done. Then the last part is to add a picture or add a clip art. You're gonna click insert. You're gonna click picture if you download it from the internet. You're gonna save it somewhere in your computer. For example, you save it on the in documents or desktop. Go to the documents and you will find the picture here, whatever in your file, and then you can insert that pictures. Now I'm gonna use the how to use the clip art, or here in this office it's called online pictures. Then I'm gonna search, for example, here if you look what I put here, I put the right mark. Okay, I'll go back to the Excel and I search for right mark, or just write right, you will find it. Here you go. You will find many kind of right marks. I'm gonna select one of these, for example this one, and I click what? Insert. It's a little bit big, you can resize it and move it to this side. It's still a little bit big. Then you move it here and you are done. Then you're going to click save your file, save. It will ask you where to save it. Then you save it in your file. Then you go back to the Edmodo and post. Go to the assignment, and as I show you, you click open and turn in on your assignment. This is all for today. Thank you for watching